it's me, Gigi. Today I got something for you. Ta-da! We are going to make our special slime together. Let me open it. Here are 4 different colors of slime. What color is this? Yes, it's pink. Very good. What color is this? That's right. It's yellow. Good job. What color is this? Yes, it's purple. What color is this?
Huh?
Oh, I don't see the color. Yes, it's clear. It has no color. It's clear. Wow, here are some beads. Wow, we can decorate the slime with this. Look at the beads. I see golden beads. I see pink and blue beads. And I see large pink beads. I'm so excited. Look at this star glitter. It has many colors. I see colorful stars. Look at this star glitter. It's yellow star glitter. Look at this glitter. It's kiwi glitter. Look at this glitter. It's watermelon glitter. And I have silver glitter and red glitter. Let's start it! Let's get started! Let's decorate the slime. First, which slime do you want to use? Clear? Purple? Yellow? Pink? Which slime do you want to use first? I want to use this clear slime first. Let me open it. Wow, it feels really soft. Wow, it's gooey. See? It's gooey. And it's very stretchy. Look. Wow. It's very stretchy. It feels really soft. Let's decorate this clear slime first. What do you want to use first? I have to choose one of these beads. Let me get these pink and blue beads. Ta-da! I want to use this pink and blue beads first. Let me open it. Wow! Let me sprinkle these beads on the slime. Look. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Wow! It looks so amazing. And then, oops. Oh no, it came out. Wow, look at this. It is so pretty. Wow. It feels like gooey. Wow, it's very stretchy, isn't it? Whoa, it's like cheese. Ooh, I see the beads in the slime. It feels really good. It feels very gooey and very soft. See? Wow! And it's very bouncy. Look. Wow! See, very bouncy. I want to put some colors here. I have red glitter. I have silver glitter. Which color do you want to use? I want to use silver. Let me squeeze the silver glitter on the slime. Squeeze it just like a sock. Wow! Let me mix them together. Wow! Wow! Look at this color! I see some silver glitter on the slime. stretchy. Can you see the color? It's really stretchy. Wow! Very stretchy. It is so pretty. I like it. Let me put this back in my container. Let me put this in my container. It's so pretty. Yay! I made my own slime. Now I want to use this pink slime. Let me open it. Slime! Oh, it came out. Wow, it feels good. Wow, it feels like gooey. It's very soft. Wow, it's very soft. It's very soft. Look at this. Wow. Look. Wow. Okay. On this pink slime, I want to sprinkle this watermelon glitter. Let me sprinkle this watermelon glitter on my pink slime. Oh, it's hard to open. Oh, I opened it. Okay. Sprinkle this watermelon glitter. Yay! I'll just use all. Yes. Whoa, it's empty. I used all. Here. Wow! Wow! Look at this watermelon on my slime! Do you see the watermelon glitter? Wow! This is very stretchy! Yay! Wow! It is so pretty! I wanna eat this watermelon! Wow! And let me put some colors here. Color silver or red. I want to add some color. Silver or red? Red. Okay. Let me add this red glitter on my slime. Okay, let me take this out. Okay. Let me squeeze this red glitter on the slime. Look, everyone. Wow. Okay. Let me mix them together. Mix. Mix, mix. Mix them together. Mix, mix, mix. Wow, it feels very gooey. Look, everybody. My hands are shiny. I got all the glitter on my hands. I have to wash my hands later. Wow, can you see the red glitter on the slime? Wow, isn't it so pretty? I like this watermelon slime. Wow. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? It is very stretchy. Yay! I want to add some beads on this slime. Which beads do you want? Do you want these golden beads or large pink beads? I want to add this golden bead. Let me sprinkle. Wow, sprinkle this golden bead. Wow, it is so pretty. Here, I have to mix them together. Wow, it's like a dumpling. Looks like a dumpling. Okay, mix all together. Mix. Mix. Mix, mix. Mix all together. Mix, mix. Oh no, the beads are coming off from the slime. Wow. Do you see the beads on the slime? Wow, it's so pretty. Look. Wow, it's very stretchy. Wow, I can make it bigger. Wow, look. Can you see my face? Wow, this is really big. Oops. Okay, this time I want to use this yellow slime. Let me open it. Wow! Come on! Oh. Whoa! Let me make it bigger first. Oh, I got a hole here. I see you. Okay, let me make this bigger. Big, 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 bigger. Yes, I made it bigger. Wow. See, I made it bigger. Now it's time to sprinkle the rainbow star glitter on my slime. Here, I got this rainbow star glitter. Let me open it. Okay, let me sprinkle this rainbow star glitter. Wow! So pretty! And it's very shiny. Roll, roll, slime, roll the slime. Roll, roll, roll. Whoa! This is very long. Do you see the stars on the slime? Wow, it's so pretty! In this yellow slime, I put some rainbow star glitter here. Let me put this slime in the container. Into the container. Let me put this pink slime, which has watermelon and golden beads, in the container. Let me show you what I made. I made a yellow slime which has rainbow stars glitter. I made clear slime which has pink and blue beads. And I made pink slime which has watermelon and golden beads. Wow, I made 3 different types of slime. Why don't you make slime with your mommy and daddy by using this kind of beads and glitter? Please try it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.